Hey, it's Alex Brandaw with Keller Williams Luxury in Nashville, Tennessee, bringing you the luxury home market update for June 2022. So let's jump right in with one of our spotlight homes, our top of market feature, which is a home that sold in the market that you may have seen come on the market and always wondered what's going on. That's a call that we often get in our office. So one we're going to jump into and share this month is on Laurel Ridge, and it was sold by our friends Stephanie and Tim at French King Fine Properties. This fabulous home on Laurel Ridge, as you can imagine, is on a ridge, has a beautiful skyline, downtown view, and had fabulous features. It sold in the past 30 days for $7.7 million, and it was an absolutely exquisite home, extremely private, very high finishes, an excellent location. Now, turning to some statistics in the market, compared to this same month last year, we've maintained our median luxury price point at $1.35 million. And that's compared to the same time last year. And that's very good for our market. That shows consistency and stability as things start to shift and open back up and have some questions about where the market's going. That's a good key feature that we can really focus on as to the strength of the luxury market in Nashville. Additionally, as you look across all the price categories in the market in Nashville, you can start to see some separation. There's a lot of volume starting to happen and continuing to happen in the $1 million to $2 million price categories. When you reach above the $2 million price category, you're starting to see some difference, some more neutral markets, and even in a few price categories, a buyer's market that is having fewer sales and more listings, so more buyer opportunity as you reach some of those different price categories. So everyone wants to know, what's the future hold? Well, everything is starting to open back up over the past few years. We've all started to see that. We're traveling more, we're going out to eat more. And with rates and real estate, it's the same. We're starting to shift back to the market that we had pre-pandemic. Rates in particular are just starting to approach with huge moves up from where they were during the pandemic, but they're still well within range of the rates that they were pre-pandemic. So did they make a significant move? Absolutely. Are they absolutely out of control? Actually not, because it's moving just like everything else is back to a normal market and where things were previously. Additionally, as we look at what's going on and as things are changing in the economy and all over the world, we can also point to another specific factor to show strength in the luxury market, specifically in Nashville. Over the past 15 years, we have been underbuilding some of the demand for homes. We've been completely at a deficiency for more than 15 years, which is causing us to continue to have great demand on houses. So that always helps us when we have great demand for properties and there's short supply. That continues to keep prices in a positive place for us. So we think it's going to be a very good summer. It's actually great to be able to show houses, see houses, and think about it for more than 2 minutes and be able to act on something, and you actually get to see it and show it and consider it for a minute. And then we also think things are going to continue into a strong fall. So we're going back to normal, right? We're getting back to doing some face-to-face meetings. We're going back to open houses. We're going back to having great conversations like this and sharing it with clients just like you. So please keep us in mind for people you know that may not have seen a market like this before. Many of the agents are panicking already. They've never seen or had a market that didn't sell a home in 3, 4, 5 days. And certainly we have that experience and knowledge, and we'd be happy to help and guide people through this shift as we open back up in Nashville. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're having a great start to summer, and I hope to see you soon.